This will be the elevator here at the Gates Hotel, or the Gates Motel, here in Key West, Florida Keys. Looks like we have a Mowrey. Obviously not original to the building.
Going up.
You heading up?
No.
Oh, okay. 2.
Second floor.
Here we are on 2.
Going down.
Not sure if this was added on or modded, but it's definitely not original to the hotel. 1, you got your Pybom fixtures here. Very plain stainless steel cab. It feels solid though. It doesn't sound like it's gonna fall apart if I knock it though, thankfully. So bravo to Mowrey for that. Alright, you know what? We'll give this one more ride and I'm gonna get a view out on the 2nd floor. See? Nice and solid.
Second floor.
There it goes. The machine room is on the 2nd floor. There's a view of a hotel hallway. It's still morning time, so you can hear the roosters going. That's the pool. This is actually pretty nice, I have to say, for a 2-story motel. Like I said, this is the Gates Motel, not the Bates Motel. This place is way too nice to be the Bates, so kind of a running joke in the hotel business. But this place is actually fairly nice. Nice view. Looks like they're fixing that there. Some plumbing stuff in the place. Yeah.
That's a great little engine, man. It's a great.
Looks pretty nice. Okay. Let's go back to our elevator now. Alright, let's head down.
Going down.
Going down.
First floor.
First floor. 1 goes out. Slow leveling, just like most Mowreys. But they've definitely improved their quality in recent years, so props to Mowrey for that. Anyways, there it goes. That'll be it.